ends with us.
It ends with us.
It ends with us.
This isn't just a fluffy celebrity feud. The actual story is, I think, a lot darker and a lot more complex than that.
The Blake Baldoni battle blazes on in a brand new doc.
This is like the most high school fight that people with millions of dollars can have with each other.
In Dispute, Lively versus Baldoni is streaming now on Max and Discovery Plus. It breaks down the entire feud from the alleged sexual harassment.
It repeatedly says the phrase, no more. No more doing of this kind of behavior.
To the texts, phone calls,
I'm really sorry. I up.
and video.
I'm not getting beard on you today.
I mean, it's so obvious that you cannot do that in a workplace.
Attorney and legal analyst Dina Doll appears in the doc, and she acknowledges, although the court of public opinion is definitely in Justin's favor, she's dropping a surprise bombshell. Blake might have the better case to win in federal court.
Blake Lively makes a strong case that she was sexually harassed by Justin Baldoni, and those actions including things like talking about pornography, describing his genitalia, improvising kissing.
What are you doing? Stop. Stop. What are you doing?
In any workplace, if somebody were to undertake those actions, those would be a strong basis for sexual harassment because they could be considered unwanted sexual actions.
Justin denies those claims, arguing the kissing was part of the script.
If this goes to trial, we will see an expert from both sides talk about what is acceptable and not acceptable on a film. Some kissing between co-stars, of course, is not sexual harassment, is literally written into the script. But just because you're an actor or an actress on a film doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot be sexually harassed.
Justin's attorney, Brian Friedman, spoke to us at the first federal hearing.
He's feeling like you would feel. If you were wrongfully accused of something, you'd feel pretty devastated. And he's looking for justice.
Justin is suing Blake for $400 million for defamation, but Blake is set to bring another witness on the stand to corroborate Justin's alleged inappropriate actions.
This is a he said, she said case, but if you have other women come forward and say very similar things to Blake Lively, that is always strong. That can definitely turn a jury.
So could this never-ending knockdown, drag-out war end in a settlement before more damage is unearthed in a courtroom?
In civil litigation, pretty much every litigation settles. The risk of going to trial is huge. The stakes are too high for either one of them to lose.